In this video, I'm going to talk about the melting glaciers in Pakistan, a call to action for the G20 summit to address the situation. So, outside the polar region, Pakistan is the country with the highest number of glaciers in the world. However, a combination of the anthropogenic climate change and the air pollution from the neighboring countries like India and China has significantly contributed to the rapid melting of these glaciers, causing devastating floods that have affected Pakistan's economy. This article suggests several measures to address the issue of the melting glaciers in Pakistan and mitigate the impact of climate change in the region, from reducing emissions and promoting renewable energy to strengthening water sharing agreements and encouraging sustainable land use. With over 7,000 glaciers, Pakistan boasts the highest number of glaciers anywhere in the world. Outside the polar region, unfortunately, these glaciers, which are a significant source of fresh water for the country, are melting rapidly due to rising global temperatures associated with the climate change, resulting in the formation of the numerous glacial lakes. The rapid disappearance of these glaciers has become a matter of great concern for the Pakistan's economy and the livelihood of millions of people who depend on them for their daily needs. The adverse effect of glacier melting on Pakistan's economy highlight how pollution caused by the neighboring countries like India and China has contributed significantly to this issue. The deposition of pollutants such as black carbon on the glaciers is causing them to melt at a faster rate. According to this study published in the Journal of Geophysical Research, atmospheres up to 80% of the black carbon deposited on the glaciers in the Karakoram comes from outside the region. The Baltoro Glacier, located in the Shigar district of Gilgit-Baltistan in Pakistan, is one of the longest glaciers outside the polar regions. Pakistan is home to the world's second largest mountain range, the Karakoram, which contains the largest concentration of glaciers outside the polar region. These glaciers are a vital source of fresh water for the country, providing water for the agriculture, industry, and its citizens. However, the rapid melting of these glaciers has become a matter of great concern for the Pakistan's economy. Their disappearance is a significant environmental concern for the country and the world as a whole. The glaciers in Pakistan's northern region, including the Karakoram, the Himalayas, and the Hindu Kush, have been melting at an alarming rate due to the global warming and climate change. The Intergovernmental Panel on the Climate Change (IPCC) estimates that the glaciers in the Himalayas could shrink by two-thirds by 2100, which would have significant implications for the region's water resources, agriculture, and the energy production. The melting of glaciers is also causing an increase in natural disasters such as floods and landslides. In recent years, Pakistan has experienced several devastating floods, which have caused significant damage to infrastructure and livelihoods. The melting of glaciers is also affecting the country's hydropower generation, which accounts for the approximately 29% of its electricity production. This highly complex issue requires urgent attention for the international community. The government of Pakistan needs to take steps to address the situation, including reducing greenhouse gas emission, improving water management, and implementing sustainable energy policies. But international cooperation, including support for the adoption measures and funding for research and development of new technologies to reduce greenhouse gas emission, is equally essential. So, in this video, I have talked about the melting glaciers in Pakistan, a call to action for the G20 summit to address the situation. So this is the video, and this is all about this. This is all about the melting glaciers in Pakistan.